Isa sa mga restos na na-hype itong first ever sukiyaki bar, Inari Sukiyaki, pero deservingly so. I mean, let Google reviews speak for itself. Been so long pero it's hard to maintain a 4.8 starred review Kaya naman buti na lang there's a branch near us. Ang layo kasi namin sa Robinsons Magnolia, so buti na lang meron ng Inari Sukiyaki dito sa SM Ora. Open sukiyaki bar siya, so makikita nyo na pinaprepare yung food nyo. You can choose between Tokyo and Kyoto style, and the best part for me dito is the prices. Kasi yung cheapest bowl nila dito, yung 385, happy na ako. But if you're planning to splurge or kakasweldo lang, kaya namin tinaray namin itong A5 Wagyu option. I mean, what else can I say? It's A5 Wagyu. Partnered pa with their deep umami and slightly sweet na sukiyaki. And it doesn't stop there. Even yung rice nila, legit Japanese rice. You get the same quality set din naman. Of course, different na yung meat. Pero for me, same satisfaction with the USDA Karubi. Since of course, cheaper to, go with this one if gusto nyo yung mas fattier cut. And go for their strip loin if gusto nyo yung mas leaner cut. Staple order na rin namin dito is their aburi. You get the smoky flavors from the aburi. Sauce again is very umami and slightly sweet. No need for soy sauce na. Same with the tempura. No need for the tempura sauce na. Although yung ebi to batter ratio, medyo makapal lang yung mismong batter niya. And for me lang, not enough ebi. We also enjoyed the flavors of the salmon. Coated in teriyaki, so slightly sweet. Thin slices lang siya, so medyo na-overcook, but still na-enjoy namin because of the flavors. And if you want the standard sukiyaki, go for the Tokyo style. Dahil ito parati order namin. And for sure, nandito na naman kami every time naghanap na naman ako ng sukiyaki. Enjoy!